you will have to tweak the screen and the nodes so that this structure becomes apparent. Let us look at the next example, Framingham obesity study. In this particular study, we introduce one or two additional features in the representation of networks. If you look at this, the nodes are sort of balls which have a color, and they also have a border. These nodes are of different sizes, they have different colors, and they have different colors in their borders. If you look at the lines are also of different colors. In the previous example, the node had an attribute, that is the degrees. In this particular case, there are more attributes for relations as well as nodes. For example, in this, the node border indicates the gender. If a particular node has a red border, it is a female subject. If it has a blue border, it is a male subject. The node color indicates obesity. If the node color is yellow, that means that particular subject had a body mass index greater than 30. Otherwise, the body mass index of less than 30, that is green. The node size is proportional to BMI, so the larger the node size, the more obese the person is. The tie or the relation colors indicate the relationship. If the lines are purple, that means the relationship is that of a friend or a spouse. If it is orange, the two nodes incident to the line are actually family. Clusters of obese and non-obese individuals are visible through the complexity of the image is still, though the complexity of the image is still very high. So you can see the structure which takes into account the attributes of both the nodes and the line. Okay, with the background that I have provided you, please do this one problem before coming to the first class meeting on March 26th. You will see in this screen a map of a small neighborhood with the two avenues that are vertical bars and two streets, horizontal bars. These avenues and streets divide the neighborhood into 9 blocks. I will indicate them by letters, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. 9 blocks. Represent this particular diagram by a network. What do you think the edges might be in the network? Define the edges precisely and bring a solution to the class. I will ask some of you to draw the network that you did in solving this particular problem. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will study very basic elements of graphs in graph theory. Social networks are always represented as what are called graphs. That is the mathematical way of representing a social network. Next class we will study the theory of graphs. Thanks.